Okay, I'll just show you how to delete a mobile from the Bluetooth audio system in this 2016 VW Passat. Right, so from any screen, actually, what I need to do first is delete it from my phone, so Bluetooth, and I'll actually try and remember, because yesterday I was trying to I was trying to do this at a car wash, and there was about a million different cars that showed up, and of course I didn't know what this one was called, so I just keep trying different ones. Right, so here we go. Here's the system. You've got menu here, you've got phone there, and you will notice that at the bottom there on the sat nav, the bottom menu goes off till you put your hand up, and then it comes on. So we'll go to menu, click on menu, and then we'll go to navigation, telephone. We'll go to telephone, click on telephone. You've got please find that, or setup here. If we click on setup, there you've got select telephone or Bluetooth. We'll click on Bluetooth. Now you've got this screen that comes up, Bluetooth. If you're having problems with the VW system and you can't pair, just make sure there's a ticking Bluetooth there and that it's switched on. But then we go down to paired devices. Also there's a ticking Bluetooth audio there. So we'll click on paired devices. It shows my phone there. It's a music symbol, the telephone, and delete. So we want to delete it. Do you really want to delete Barry's iPhone 12 Pro? Yes, delete. So that's it gone. Okay, I'll just show you how to pair a mobile to the Bluetooth audio system in this 2016 VW Passat. So first of all, we make sure Bluetooth is on, and then we're watching out at the bottom here. Now you can either go to phone. If you click on phone, it's saying find telephone there, or you can go to menu, but you come to the same screen. So find telephone. VW BT4542 has already come up, so we'll click on that. System searching. My phone's found the system's looking for my phone. Pairing unsuccessful, but we'll leave it going. Probably one of the reasons is I've just deleted this phone from this system, so I might have confused it a little bit. But there you go, it's now found it. So Barry's iPhone 12 Pro, so I'll click on there. Requesting available profiles. Well, that looks like it's making life difficult. Hands-free telephone connecting to Barry's iPhone. Does this passkey 951498 match? Well, yes it does, so we click pair there and yes there, and that's connecting. Allow contacts and favourites to sync, allow. And that's it connected. And there you go, you can see it connected there. Another great thing with this system, if we go, right, we'll go back. If we go to music, click on there, you'll see at the bottom there, VW BT4542. If I click on there, you see you've got a choice between phone and the actual system in the VW. So we're on that. We'll go back, we'll try and go back, there you go. I'm going to turn that down, click play. Over here we go to media, click on media, and then it's actually on it at the moment, but it's gone straight to Bluetooth. But if it hadn't, let's just see, we'll click it on there, and then we'll go back somewhere else. So I've clicked play here. Just turn that down a second. So the music's playing here. We go over to the system, we click media. That's coming on CD. I don't want it on CD, so we go to source, and then we select Bluetooth audio. That's playing this. I'll put that one on actually, and then turn this up. One of these actually, turn it up there. One of these clutch volume controls, which the faster you turn it, the slower the music goes down, so you just feel like punching it. But anyway, so that's how you do that. Okay, I'll just show you how to set the sat nav in this 2016 Volkswagen Passat. So from any screen, you've got nav up here. We click on nav, and then you'll see new destination, my destinations, my tours. Now, if I take my hands away from there, you'll see the menu goes at the bottom. So when you first do it, sometimes you're thinking, well, what do I need to do? There isn't anything anywhere. But if you put your hand towards it, you've got the menu comes up at the bottom. You click new destination, United Kingdom. We want city or right. Also, I think this is the postcode one. So if I click on there, you'll see again, very confusing. Enter city, United Kingdom, but I want postcode. Right down at the bottom here in the left-hand side, abbreviated PTCD. So we click on there. Now that allows you to put the postcode in, and we want letters first. So our postcode is Grosvenor Garage, Chorley Road, Wantleydale, PR. Now we want numbers, so we've got to click the numbers. 5. Now, no doubt it'll want a space. So we'll have to go back to ABC, click a space, back to numbers, 4, back to letters, J, where's the S gone? JS, PR5, 4JS. Then we have to click on that, and then we have to click start.
The routes are being calculated.
So it's a bit confusing. The
Please
first
select a route.
If you just want to get there or thereabouts, the PR5 would have done. Because it's only got 2 digits in our postcode, you've got to put a space in. So if you remember that when you're working it, you won't go far wrong. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.